Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear Amazon order history. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Amazon Shopping app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to clear the Amazon order history, you need to go to the order section first. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom, tap on it. Now at the top, you can see the orders option, tap on it. Now you're in your orders space. When you place an order on Amazon, it'll appear over here. Your past orders will all be listed over here. There is no way you can delete your order history, but what you can do is, you can archive them in order to hide them. When you place an order and it'll show up over here, there will be the option to archive it. You can archive the orders, and that particular order will be hidden from this list. So in that way, you can hide your Amazon order history. So that's the only way to clear Amazon order history. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.